Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how can you clean your iPhone like a boss. So let us begin. Of course in this video I'm going to use this super cleaner to wash and make our phone super clean. So first of all guys, you need to add some soup on this iPhone. So let us add few, as you can see here. You need of course to wash it good and make it super clean, as we can see here. Super clean from everywhere, even the camera, so it can focus automatically. And then let's go and wash it. Of course you need to keep it washed. And as we can see, the water is going inside the screen. Can you see that guys? This is the worst iPhone ever. So here we go, cleaning it super good. I don't know what's the hell wrong with this screen. You can see there's a bubble. Here is it. Of course my monkey is laughing on my iPhone, and even like when I start it up, it doesn't start. What the heck? And but at the end guys, if you smell your iPhone, it smells fucking good. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this very nice video, and please subscribe and stay up with my next video on how to make your iPhone better device. Thanks for watching.